Hydrogen.
So whenever any metal reacting with acid, so it will produces metal salt plus hydrogen gas. But what metal only can react with acids? Anybody? Which is more reactive than hydrogen or less reactive than hydrogen? It must be
More reactive than
More
hydrogen.
reactive than hydrogen.
that is what you have to remember it. Okay. So now we all know, let me form the examples, which we are very, very familiar with so many examples already. So that is what. So for displacement reaction in first chapter, we studied the first example. The zinc metal is reacting with the hydrochloric acid. What is the state of hydrochloric acid? Aqueous state or gaseous state? Everybody. Aqueous state. Understanding? So it will form. What is the salt will come, guys? Zinc is reacting with HCl. Anybody?
Zinc chloride.
Zinc chloride.
Very good. So it will form zinc chloride. What is the name? What is the state of zinc chloride, Mr. Vijay? That is also
Aqueous.
aqueous state. And plus we are going to get what is the
Hydrogen gas.
hydrogen gas. So gas I can represent with a pair. Is it okay? Yes, please. Understood?
Yes, sir.
That is what. Now I'm giving only 2 seconds time. Balance the equation and tell me who will say first. Let me see. Balance the equation. This is already very familiar equation.
2HCl.
Yes, please. Google.
2H.
That's all.
2HCl.
Only one thing we have to balance it. What is we have to balance it, guys? Chlorine. Understanding? So here you can see chlorine here 2 is there, but here only 1 is there. So I have to multiply with what? 2. That's all. Hydrogen is also 2. That's right. So this is the first reaction. Next, zinc is reacting with the sulfuric acid. Mr. Johan, what is the formula for sulfuric acid?
Sir, H2,
Ah,
H2SO4, sir.
H2SO4. What is the physical state? Mr. Kaushik, what is the physical state of H2SO4? You say or else leave from the meeting. No excuse at all. What is the physical state of H2SO4?
Sir, solid.
That is what you are studying, Ra. What is the state of physical state of acids, Ra?
Aqueous.
Aqueous.
Aqueous state. So what is the salt will come, Amma? Everybody. Will
Zinc
get
ZnSO4.
zinc sulfate. That is also in aqueous state. Plus we are going to get what gas? Hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
10 times I have taught you in today's class itself. If acids wants to source the reaction, they must be in what state, guys? They must be in aqueous state. They must dissolve in what? They must dissolve in water. But Mr. Kaushik will be only solids. Because he is not at all listening. What I can do? Headache for me always. Next. Similarly, magnesium. So magnesium is more reactive or less reactive? Everybody? More reactive. Correct or not? Yes, please. Magnesium more reactive than hydrogen or not? Yes, it is more reactive than hydrogen. So that, tell me, what is the salt will come? All of you.
Magnesium chloride.
Which is also plus we are going to get what gas? All of you.
Hydrogen gas.
Please write the name of the salt also. That pronunciation also don't know because we are having legends correct who never try to change and never try to work. Formula is magnesium chloride. This also right, Ra. What is the name of this one? We used to call zinc chloride and this is called as all of you. Zinc
sulfate.
Sulfate. Be careful. Zinc sulfate. Okay. Next. So balance it. It's not balanced. I want no balancing. Fastly.
That 2HCl.
Yes, please. So 2HCl. Is it right or wrong? That's all. Next question. Aluminium. So aluminium is also more reactive than hydrogen or not? Mr. Aswin, yes. Mr. Aswin, yes. Aluminium is more reactive or not? Mr. Arul, Harikrishna. Harikrishna also not responding. Why? I don't know. Aluminium is more reactive or less reactive? Everybody?
More reactive.
More reactive than hydrogen. So let me react aluminium with HCl. Let me see who will say the product. Fastly. What is the product?
Aluminium chloride with hydrogen.
AL. Wait, Harish. Wait, Harish. I will. Mr. Gogul Krishna. What is the formula of aluminium chloride?
ALCl.
AL. Say perfectly. AL.
Cl. 2, sir.
Al2 ah?
Yes, 3, sir.
2, 3 and the madri choice kadayadu. You have only one option. You say correctly, okay. Wrong, that's all. Aluminum valency is how much ra? AlCl3 or AlCl2, guys?
3, sir.
AlCl3. Because why? Aluminum valency is how much? 3 or 2 ah?
3.
3.
Chlorine valency is 1. So by using crisscross method, what we are going to get? Al1 Cl3. So which is equals to what? AlCl3. Correct? Everybody? How many times I'll teach it? AlCl3 plus we are going to get what gas? Hydrogen gas.
Hydrogen gas.
Let me balance it. Who will balance first? Let me see. Balance it.
Sir.
Wait,
three
Hari. Wait,
HCl.
Hari. Wait, Hari. Let them balance. Wait. Let them say. Mr. Rohit will say. Remaining all listen. Nimish and Rohit will say. Let me see who will say first.
Sir, 3 HCl.
3 HCl. Wrong. With what way you are saying 3 HCl, Mr. Rohit? Can you tell me? I want like say something. I want to answer also perfectly. Mr. Hari Sairas, you tell me.
Sir.
Simply I'll write means nothing will happen. Okay, Rohit said, okay, that's wrong. Okay, Rohit, you try Rohit. You further proceed. Mr. Nimish, you tell me. Hari Sairas also. Balance the equation.
Sir, what?
Balance the equation and tell me, Hari Sairas.
3 HCl.
3 HCl wrong. In what way it is 3 HCl, Hari Sairas? That's why I'm saying. This is the mistake you make always. That is why I'm perfectly I'm stressing on this. Okay, let me ask Gayatri. Miss Gayatri, can you?
Sir.
Yeah. Mr. Nimish, you have to speak, Nimish. If you speak only, I'll be happy. Really, have you solved, Mr. Nimish? Can I believe? Can I believe, Mr. Nimish?
Sir.
Have you really solved?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Yeah. Nimish said correctly. So what is the balancing equation? Now you tell me. 2Al
2Al plus 6
HCl
HCl.
gives you
2AlCl3
plus
Plus
3 the chart. How many of them they answered? Most of them they already answered. That is what is needed for me. You should able to answer. But Mr. Kaushik will never try. Kaushik, have you tried now? Try to balance it really? Say yes or no, that's all. Have you tried to balance it? That's what. So you never try. Next question. Same. Aluminum react with the sulfuric acid. Please proceed and tell me what is the products will come and everything, including physical state and balanced equation. I will write only physical state and products. What is the products will come? I want to know. Who will say? Wait.
Aluminum sulfate with
Harini, can you
hydrogen
tell me
gas.
what is the product will come here, Harini?
Gas.
Yeah. Aluminum react with sulfuric acid. What is the product will come, Harini? Product
A.
name you tell me. I don't want formula. Name.
Aluminum sulfate.
Aluminum. Yeah, that's all, Harini. Be confident. I know you know already. What is the formula, guys? Everybody? Aluminium
Aluminum sulfate plus
SO4
hydrogen gas.
SO4. What is the formula?
thrice.
Al2SO4 thrice. Understand? Learn. If you don't know now, you learn. Aluminium and sulfate. Sulfate is a polyatomic ion or single monoatomic ion? Polyatomic ion. Aluminium valency is 3. Sulfate valency is what, guys? 2. Clear? So if you do the crisscross method, we are getting what? Al2SO4 thrice. Reading also very important. Al2SO4 thrice. You are not a kid, but still I am teaching like a kid only because I want to know. That is why. Yeah, Mr. Harris already finished balancing. So aluminum sulfate plus we are going to get hydrogen gas. Yes, Mitakshri, how much time? Tell me balancing. Abhiram, you also. What is the balancing? If I write the equation, balancing should be finished. That is the reason I trained you that much in balancing equations. You cannot take hours and hours and constructing like LKG kid, tabular column, right side LHS, RHS, balancing and the madri. I want to answer immediately. Yes, Gayatri, very good. Hitakshri, your answer.
So 2Al plus 3 H2SO4 gives Al2SO4 thrice plus 3 H2.
Very good. As soon as you always remember, Abhiram, you also, as soon as I ask, you must say answer. You cannot wait. You have to be trained like that. As soon as you receive the question, your mind having an answer. That is what is needed for me. Next. So next, sodium reacting with acidic acid. See, till now all the have taken what acids? HCl, HCl, H2SO4. What acids? HCl and H2SO4.
Mineral acids.
They are actually mineral acids. Yes or no? So now we have to show the reaction with the organic acid also. Is it right or wrong? All of you? Mineral acids only we are writing the equations. HCl or H2SO4. So both are mineral acids only. So let us see reaction of metals with the organic acid. Okay. So let me take sodium metal. Sodium is reacting with the acidic acid. Can you tell me what is acidic acid formula? Anybody?
CaCO.
CH3COH.
Vijay, formula never make mistake, Vijay. Be careful. Formula, if you commit the mistake, no purpose of answering the chemistry question. 100% formula, nobody should fail to make a mistake. I'm very, very concerned about it. CH3COOH, acidic acid. What is the source of acidic acid?
Vinegar.
Mr. Ashwin, source of acidic acid. Mr. Guru, which is there in our kitchen. In our kitchen also it will be available. Yes, please. Harkrishna, what happened? What is the source of acidic acid? Vinegar. Okay. So now, can you tell me what is the formula? This is a challenging one. Let me see. Sodium will react with the acidic acid. What is the formula will come? Yes. Write this name also. Aluminium sulfate. Okay. That is what. Next. Now the product, you people don't know, but this is the most important reaction. Please remember it. Sodium acetate will come. What it will come? Sodium acetate. Now, board exam, nowadays they will ask the questions like this only. Before they used to ask, write any one example for metal reacting with acid or acid reacting with the metal. Now they are specifying, give one any real life example where organic acid reacting with the metal. Do you all understand what I'm saying? Then by that time you cannot write with the mineral acid. Do you all understand, Amma? You must take with the organic acid only. So then you can write this example. So if sodium react with acidic acid, all of you remember, we are going to get sodium acetate. The formula of sodium acetate is CH3COONA. Today itself you have to learn this equation. CH3COONA, sodium acetate, plus what is the gas will come? Everybody? Hydrogen. I'm giving you 2 minutes, 1 minute time for balancing. Let me see who will balance first. You should not take 1 minute also, 10 seconds. Anybody ready? Tejaswini, Rohit, answer please. Balancing equation.
Sir,
Yeah.
2Na plus 2CH3COH will gives 2CH3COONA plus H2.
Really have you tried, Rohit? Or you copied?
Yes, sir.
Really have you solved?
Yes, sir.
Very good. If you really solve, I'm very happy. That's what. See that how much he has taken time. That is what he's expecting from everybody. Because you have to think, okay, he committed mistake in beginning, but now he answered. That is what every time you have to be very perfect. Mr. Nimish completed. Okay. So this is what about the today's class. Nothing I'm going to teach. Reaction with metals, reaction with acids. Now, all of you take your NCERT book. All of you take your NCERT book. You can see we'll be having, I think the chapter number, I don't know the page numbers exactly. We'll be having activity 2.3. I think I think chemistry is no problem. Chapter number, I think page number 19. Am I correct, Harish? Check it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Activity 2.3.
Yeah, acids and bases in the laboratory. Activity 2.3. How do acids and bases react with the metals? That is what is the reaction. But here both acids and bases, both they have given. But you have to study only with the what? Acids alone. Clear? Understanding? That is what. Now,
Yes.
in that picture, have you seen that they are bringing one candle flame so that it is burning with the what sound? They have mentioned. Burning of hydrogen gas with the what sound? Check it, everybody.
Pop sound,
Pop
sir.
sound. Pop sound in the sense of tap, 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 tap like that. That is the indicating of, that is the test to identify either hydrogen gas is released or not. Do you all understanding? So if the given reaction, hydrogen is releasing or not, how we can? We will bring the burning candle near that bubbles. Wherever you are getting the bubbles are released in the container. Have you seen that soap solution bubbles are forming? Everybody? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
So when the bubbles are forming, we have to identify either it is a hydrogen gas or not. So if it is a hydrogen gas, if you bring the burning candle, that hydrogen gas will burn with what sound? Everybody?
Pop sound.
Because hydrogen is a combustible in nature or not? Hydrogen is a combustible gas, means it will catch the fire and it will burn. So combustible gas. So if it is a pure hydrogen, please remember that is also question. If it is a pure hydrogen, burn with a blue flame. What flame it will burn? Blue flame. If it is an impure hydrogen burns with a what sound?
Pop
Pop
sound.
sound.
Tap, 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 like that pop sound will come. So that activity. Now your duty is activity 2.2 and activity 2.3. You have to read it by tomorrow's class and you have to understand that picture very clearly, how to set up the experiment, everything. Tomorrow's class, I will ask any one of you. You should say that. Next, table 2.1. All of you read that. Table 2.1, you will be having one pink table. Have you noticed it? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That pink table, you have to fill it. Clear, everybody? By tomorrow's, you have to fill it. Actually, I already taught you in the classwork, but you have to fill it by tomorrow. Is it okay, guys? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. And now, till where you have to read for tomorrow's class? Till page number 20, you'll be having a generalized equation for acids reacting with the metals. Have you checked it? That is what this is. Acid or metal react with acid. We are going to get what is the general metal salt plus hydrogen. So till there we'll be having above activity 2.4. You have or not? Verify it. Everybody? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Till there you have to read it. Of course, you can read till there you read it. Then activity 2.4 onwards will continue tomorrow because next activity is reacting with the base cities, not necessary. So till here anybody have any doubt you can ask me or else you can leave from the meeting. Have you all clear with the examples and all today's class? Everybody? Textbook, no
Yes,
one
sir.
example. Textbook, only one example you have. But we have made around 6 examples. At least remember one example. And last example is very important. Specifically, they will ask metal with a organic acid. Then you have to write this example. Sodium acetate. Again, we'll get in next chapter formula. Please learn it. What is the sodium acetate formula? CH3COO-Na is the formula for sodium acetate. Okay, guys. So this is what about the today's class. If anybody having any doubt, you can ask me or else you can leave from the meeting. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Focus on work. 1 hour you can relax. Come back by 7 o'clock. Start and report me afternoon and after evening and all. Mr. Omar, are you following Omar? Strictly follow and make it everything clear. Okay, guys. Thank you, everybody.